A very good morning to one and all. I, Isha Sharma, librarian, PG Department, welcomes you all in today's orientation and induction program. First of all, I am to congratulate you that you have joined our prestigious institution, that is, Meyer College of Education, which has been rendering its valuable educational services to the society for the last 85 years. The college has the unique distinction of being the first college of education in non-government sector in Jammu province. Now, with these words, I request Dr. Ronika Sharma, Head UG Department, who has been serving here for more than 15 years. Dr. Sharma is a registered rehabilitation professional with altogether 20 years of experience in the field of special education and having 15 years of teaching at college level. Ma'am, I request you for formal welcome address.
Thank you, Isha. It is an honor and great elation for me to extend a formally welcome you all for gracing this event. First of all, on behalf of all of us present here, I would like to sincerely welcome Dr. Adit Gupta, Director and Principal, Meyer College of Education, for being with us and gracing the event. I welcome you, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to Dr. Moolraj Sharma, HOD PG Department, for being with us. I welcome all the faculty members of both B.Ed and B.Ed Special Education Program. Last but not the least, I welcome my dear students to Meyer family. I congratulate you all for taking a very wise decision and choosing Meyer for pursuing your B.Ed and B.Ed Special Education Program. With these words, I welcome you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request our worthy principal, Dr. Adit Gupta, under whose able guidance and dynamic leadership, Meyer is progressing with leaps and bounds. Dr. Gupta is an eminent educationist with national and international repute. Dr. Gupta always try hard for maintaining and sustaining the quality of the institution. Sir, please shower your blessings on us.
Thank you so much, Isha, and thank you, Dr. Ronika, for welcoming everybody to today's inaugural session. I would, also take this opportunity to welcome all the students who have joined the college. Although these are not the best of circumstances, which we would have liked, as starting college in physical mode would have been a preference for all of us. But since we are already passing through this pandemic phase and based on the guidelines issued by our government, we are starting our program through online mode only. I know that till now, just about 45 odd students have joined the B.Ed program and about 20 students have joined the B.Ed special education program. So we are hoping that in the coming few days, we would be able to fill the seats as admissions are still going on. But we thought that it would be not advisable to waste the time of students as the time for the semester is already passing. So we thought we'll start with classes well in time so that the completion of the semesters can also be completed in time, and the students can pass out of the program and also get their degrees in time. So with that, we have started with this particular program. As soon as more students keep on joining us, we'll be expanding the the boundaries of this classroom. In the initial days, this program will be organized through the online mode. So Meyer College of Education has always been at the forefront of using modern educational technologies for the teaching learning process, and we are very proud of that fact that we have the necessary infrastructure and the specialized faculty to deliver education through online mode, which we have been doing for the last over 1 year now during this pandemic period, and almost 2 sessions of the 2 semesters have passed out using the online mode. You'll also be very happy to know, students, that all our assessments and all the evaluation is also conducted online through open book examinations and online quiz programs. In fact, your submission of assignments, your submission of assessments will also be done through the online mode. Soon, our IT teams will get in touch with you. You will have your own college email ID with which you will be connecting with this Google Classroom platform where all your teaching learning processes will be conducted. And you will not be using your personal Gmail IDs. The biggest advantage of using this platform is that every class is recorded, and these recordings will be available to you also at a later time to evaluate. And if due to certain connectivity issues you are unable to listen to some aspect of the class while it is being conducted live, you always have the liberty and the access to these materials at a later on stage. With this, the infrastructure of the college is excellent. We are a NAC A+ accredited college. We are ranked almost in the top 3 as per the NAC ratings. We are the top most autonomous college in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. And over the years, we have been imparting quality education to all students. And Meyer College of Education has always been preferred as the first choice of the students when it comes to getting a degree in the field of teacher education. In fact, we are the only college in the UT to have a B.Ed special education program. And this B.Ed special education program is a very intensive program which teaches would-be teachers to become experts in dealing with students with learning disabilities. And this is a highly job-oriented program. Most of our students have been absorbed in jobs during the last few years, especially with the Samagra Shiksha project of the government that has come up, where many students have come. And as per the CBSE, the special educators are a mandatory requirement in all schools. So their demand is increasing day by day. So students who are enrolled in this program are going to get that particular benefit. The biggest advantage of our college is that we prepare teachers not only in the skill and pedagogy of teaching, but also make them tech savvy. With this, I mean that you will be using a lot of technology in your teaching learning process, in your evaluation process. And when you go as teachers in schools, you will have the requisite skills which are required for students to excel in this 21st century educational learning environment. And we are proud of this fact that most of the students who have got jobs in colleges and schools are doing exceptionally well. And we've always received praise from the principals and the directors of the schools that the students of Meyer College of Education are really contributing in the growth and development of those schools. So hearing all these praises for our students, for the efforts that our teachers put in, it shows that we are doing our jobs well, and we will continue to add value to your education in this college. After this induction program, our faculty is going to introduce themselves. They are going to give you an idea as to what your curriculum and syllabus is like, what you will be studying, what will be part of your semester 1, what kind of papers you will be studying, and how you are going to be assessed, and the kind of sessional works that you will be doing through this orientation program you will be coming to know. So I'm sure in the coming days, as more and more students join the group, the teaching and learning will progress. For the first 2-3 days, we'll be having orientation and induction program, which is going to be an eye-opener session for all of you. And I hope and believe that this interaction, you will gain a lot and you will understand the nuances of the teacher education program at the B.Ed and the B.Ed special education level. With this, I would like to express my thanks to all the students who have selected the college for pursuing these programs. And I would like to wish you all the very best for your future endeavors, and hope that your stay in the College of Education is fruitful, interactive, and beneficial to all of you. And our teachers will leave no stone unturned in making sure that you develop the requisite skills that are required for a modern day teacher. So thank you very much, and welcome once again to Meyer College of Education.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your blessings on us. Now, all faculty members who are involved in building the career of the students are requested to introduce themselves one by one. So, I start with Dr. Ronika Sharma. Ma'am, please.
Isha ma'am, your voice is not very clear. Could you, repeat that?
Ji. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your blessings. Now, all faculty members who are involved in building the career of the students are requested to introduce themselves one by one. So, I start with Dr. Ronika. Ma'am, please.
Uh, I request Deepa Rana, kindly mute yourself because it is creating a kind of problem over here. Deepa Rana, madam, please mute yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you, Isha. Well, dear
Right, Ronika
students.
ma'am, so you can also continue with the program. I'll be joining you little later.
Sure, sir. Sure. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I think I am audible, dear students.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
side,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am Dr. Ronika. I am serving this institution from the past 15 years. I have altogether 16 years of teaching experience. I am doctorate in special education. I did my master's in special education from Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda University, Coimbatore. I also did my MEd from University of Jammu. As far as teaching is concerned, it is my passion and I love to teach. Though I am taking care of this administration post, but beside this, I am also teaching. I am taking care of B.Ed special education program because I have my specialization in intellectual disabilities.
Excuse me,
Uh,
ma'am, but your voice
I
is
request
breaking. We can't hear you properly.
yes, students, today actually here we are facing a problem of network connectivity issue. I think it is on both ways. I believe, Isha, you are able to hear me? Faculty members from Meyer College, they are able to hear me? Because,
Ma'am, I can hear you clearly.
yes, today voice is breaking, I know. But I can't help it, my dear students. I'm so sorry, but I can repeat if you want me to repeat again. Komal ma'am, please mute yourself. Hmm. I repeat, I am Dr. Ronika Sharma. I am teaching here from the past 15 years. So altogether, I have 16 years of teaching experience. I did my master's in special education as well as in education. And I am doctorate in special education also. And my area of specialization is intellectual disabilities. Thank you so much. Isha, please call another teacher. Isha ma'am, am I audible?
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Mrs. Poonam Soni to introduce herself. Soni, ma'am, please.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Poonam Soni. I welcome the newcomers, new batch of our college. I am here in this college for last 18 years and my total teaching experience is more than 30 years. So I've been teaching many subjects, but this subject, paper 102, that is perspectives in is philosophical and sociological perspectives in education. I will be taking this subject of this new session, and I welcome you all for joining this, and I congratulate you that you have joined this prestigious college, and I wish best of luck to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Mrs. Komal Sharma to introduce yourself. Ma'am, please.
A very warm welcome to all of you in this orientation program, the new batch of our BEd students. And I'm Komal Sharma, and I'm here since more than 13 years and a total experience of 15 years in teaching. As far as the BEd is concerned, I have been teaching in BEd only since the very beginning. And I'll be taking up your these subjects which have 4 credits. I think it's human growth and development. And I have been teaching methodology of teaching, understanding disciplines and subjects, educational technology, and knowledge and curriculum, and many more subjects. So in some semester or the other, I will be taking your classes, and I expect that you all will have a fruitful and a very wonderful this education here, the tenure of your education, and not only the academics, you will also have lot many other opportunities to develop your personality and to express yourself and to open up yourself in many other fields as well. So we have a very comprehensive curriculum where you will not only be confined to academics but in many other fields as well. So I wish you all the best and a very good your teaching your BA course here. And thank you so much, and see you very soon. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mrs. Suman Gupta to kindly introduce herself. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, all. I am Suman Gupta. I am double PP in Mathematics and Education and MPhil in Education. I have 11 years experience of teaching in college level in this college, Meyer, and total experience 16 years of teaching. I have taught so many subjects, but in this semester 1, most probably I will teach you 102 philosophical and sociological perspectives in education and 105 methodology of teaching. And I hope you all enjoy in this college. Okay, thank you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mrs. Arpana Kaul to please introduce herself. Arpana, ma'am, please. Arpana, ma'am, I request you to please introduce yourself. Okay, moving further, I request Dr. Rita Divedi to please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you, Isha. Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Rita Divedi. I am doctorate in English fiction and PG in both the languages, English and Hindi. I am BEd too. Overall, I have a teaching experience of 17 years of teaching PG and UG classes. I am teaching in this college. I am teaching since 2012, approx 8 years. I will be teaching you the core papers along with the language papers. In this semester, I will be teaching you course 104, Contemporary India and Education. Thank you and all the best to all the students. Thank you, Isha.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving further, I request Mrs. Suman Devi to please introduce yourself. Suman Devi, ma'am.
Yes. Sorry, Isha. कर दिया आ रही आवाज आई एम ऑडिबल
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are very much audible.
Okay. Good morning, students. Warm welcome, बच्चे. I am Suman Devi. I am here in this college since 2014, more than 7 years. I have 10 years experience. I am double PG, PG in Hindi and MEd. I will teach you in this course, in this paper, 101, Childhood and Growing Up. My special area is teacher education, and I have taught so many subjects. Okay, thank you, and warm welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Miss Deepa Rana to kindly introduce herself. Deepa, ma'am.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, Dr. Deepa Rana, and I have done my PG in geology and education, and my doctorate in education, and I am NetZerat in education. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Kuldeep Singh to please introduce yourself. Kuldeep, sir.
Good morning, students. I am Kuldeep Singh. I am specialized in special education. My teaching experience 8 years, and last 2 years I am working here.
Kuldeep sir, your voice is not audible. Isha ma'am, am I audible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Your voice is lagging.
I don't know why there is a network connectivity issue today.
Today is very...
Everybody is facing this problem.
Exactly, ma'am.
Would you please call another teacher meanwhile?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Chotu Ram to please introduce yourself. Chotu, sir.
Hello, I am audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are very much audible.
Okay. Respected principal, sir, HOD ma'am, music department, faculty member, and dear student, a very good morning. I am C.R. Zangra, assistant professor, B.Ed Special Education. My total experience in special education department 7 years. I am from the Department of Special Education. I will teach you course code 102 and 104. Thank you. I hope you will have very good hair. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request all the students of B.Ed and B.Ed Special Education to give their brief introduction, including their qualification, hobbies, games, and sports, etc. So, I start with Madhvi Rajput. Madhvi, are you here?
Request you kindly call the student name along with their program. Madhvi from B.Ed or B.Ed Special?
B.Ed, ma'am. I'm starting with B.Ed students.
Okay. Madhvi is here.
From B.Ed.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here. Myself, Madhvi Rajput. I'm from Arora. I PG in Sociology and now I'm admission in B.Ed College, Maya. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Madhvi. Now I request Sonika Devi to please introduce yourself. Sonika Devi.
Good morning. Good morning, teachers. Myself, Miss Sonika Rana. I have taken admission in B.Ed and I have done Masters in History from Jammu University. Thank you, ma'am.
Bache, you have to tell about your hobbies also.
Ma'am, I am interested in games like football, volleyball, and so on.
Thank you. Now I request Dipali Gautam to please introduce yourself. So moving ahead with Anu Sharma. Anu Sharma from B.Ed.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Anu Sharma from Arnia in B.Ed college, in B.Ed, or I'm in economics from IGNOU University. My hobbies is singing and dance, and read the book.
Okay, thank you, Anu.
Ji,
Now
ma'am.
I request Neha Wazir to introduce yourself.
Komal ma'am. Komal ma'am is here. कोमल जी प्लीज ये स्टूडेंट्स का एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा.
Yes, Ronika ma'am. Yes, Ronika ma'am.
Now I request Diksha Dogra to please introduce yourself. Diksha Dogra.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Diksha Dogra from Vishna. I had done BCom from Prague College. No, I am student of B.Ed course in Mayal College.
शुरू से ही आवाज आ रही सर अभी सबकी
Thank you, Diksha. Now I request Pallavi Sharma to please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. I am Pallavi Sharma from Jammu, and I have done my graduation BSc from Prague College, Jammu. And I am interested in painting and indoor games like carom board. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallavi. Now I request Kajal Manhas to please introduce yourself.
Good morning. I am from Sitmari. I done BCom from my hobbies.
Now I request Anisha Khatun to please introduce yourself. Anisha, are you there? Sonia Chaudhary.
Good morning, teachers. I am Sonia Chaudhary. I am from Jammu only, and I have done BSc from Government College for Women, Gandhinagar, and now I have taken admission in B.Ed. I am very much interested in playing badminton and singing. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia. Now I request Maneet Kaur to please introduce yourself. Maneet Kaur.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Maneet Kaur. I had done my master's in sociology from Jammu University, and my hobbies are singing, dancing, art and craft. I'm pretty much excited to get started with my B.Ed course. Thank you.
Thank you, Maneet. Now I request Nikita Katoch to please introduce yourself. Nikita. Okay, moving further.
Good morning.
Yes, Nikita, carry on.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Nikita Katoch. I've done masters in commerce from Jammu University. I love to meet new people and go to new places, and I also like playing badminton. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nikita. Now I request Neha Chadak to please introduce yourself.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Neha Chadak. I done my BSc at Gandhinagar College. My hobby is dancing and athletics.
Thank you, Neha. Now I request Uzma Kohli to please introduce yourself. Uzma. Uzma, are you there? Moving further, now I request Vishali Mandla to please introduce yourself. Vishali. Okay, Twinkle Khanna. I request Twinkle Khanna to please introduce yourself. Okay, moving further, I request Nana Puri to please introduce yourself. Nana, are you there?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Puri. I have my graduation in medical from GGS in Scotland, National University of Jammu. I'm very much interested in singing and dancing. Thank you.
Thank you, Nana. Now I request Jyoti Devi to please introduce yourself. Jyoti Devi.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Myself Jyoti from Riyasi. I have done graduation in BSc from Parade College, Jammu. My hobbies are reading. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jyoti. Now I request Tanya Thapa to please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Tanya Thapa from Satwari. I have done my graduation BSc from GCW Gandhinagar, and I love to explore and travel.
Thank you, Tanya. Now I request Pooja Devi to please introduce yourself. Manmeet Kaur.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Manmeet Kaur from Jammu. I had done my Master of Commerce from Jammu University. Now I have taken admission in B.Ed. My hobbies are art and craft and athletes.
Thank you, Manmeet. Now I request Monica Manhas to please introduce yourself.
Yes,
Monica
good morning,
Manhas.
ma'am. Myself Monica Manhas, and I'm from village Sohanjana. I completed my BSc from GCW Gandhinagar. My hobbies are to singing and teaching.
Thank you, Monica. Now I request Juhi Rahi to please introduce yourself. Juhi, are you there? Ritika.
So, good morning, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, thank you everyone for making this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Ritika Chopra. I am from Rehari, Jammu. I did my graduation in BA from GCW Parade. My strengths are self-motivated, hardworking, and a self-disciplined person. My hobbies are listening music, cooking, and reading books. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ritika. I request Shivalika Manhas to please introduce yourself. Shivalika.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Shivalika Manhas. I have done my BSc from GDC Doda. I have taken admission in my for B.Ed course, and I like playing badminton.
Thank you, Shivali. Now I request Shobani Jan to please introduce yourself. Shobani. Komal Pathania. Komal Pathania.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Komal Pathania. I have done graduation from GCW Gandhinagar. I'm basically from Himachal Pradesh. My hobbies are reading books and playing badminton and also dancing.
Thank you, Komal. I request Muskan Sharma to please introduce yourself. Muskan.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. First of all, it's a pleasure for me to introduce myself in front of you all. My name is Muskan Sharma, and I have done my graduation from Government College for Women Parade. My hobbies are to read books and listening music. And now I'm looking forward to join Meyer College. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Muskan. I request Simranjeet Kaur to please introduce yourself. Simranjeet.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Simranjeet Kaur and I'm from Tlatilo. I have done my MCom from Jammu University and now I have taken admission in your college B.Ed and my hobbies are playing badminton and carom. So much.
Thank you, Simran. Now I request Rhythm Gupta to please introduce yourself. Rhythm.
Ma'am, my name is Rhythm Gupta and I'm from Jammu. I've done BCom from Pratt College and MCom from Cluster University, Jammu. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rhythm. I request Kajal Devi to please introduce yourself. Kajal. Mehroza Bano to please introduce yourself. Mehroza, are you there? I request Shivali Sharma to please introduce yourself. So, moving further with B.Ed special students, first of all, I'd like to call Vishal Kumar to please introduce yourself.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Vishal Kumar from Udhampur and I'm a student of B.Ed Special. I have done graduation in BA from IGNOU and I don't have much of hobbies. I like reading mangas and listening music in my free time and I'm a little bit of a talkative guy. Please don't mind me. And thank you, Isha ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vishal. I request Vanshika Sharma to please introduce yourself.
A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Vanshika Sharma and I completed my graduation BSc Biotechnology from GDC Udhampur. And my hobbies are gardening, playing badminton, handball, reading books. And thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Vanshika. Now I request Shivalika Sharma to please introduce yourself. Shivalika Sharma, B.Ed Special. Jyoti Sharma. Jyoti, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad to introduce myself in front of you and thank you, Isha ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Jyoti Sharma. I'm from Bahu Fort, Jammu. Now coming to my qualification, I have done BA from GCW and then MA Sociology from Jammu University. And now I have opted for B.Ed Special Education. My hobbies are cooking and helping needy person. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. I request Prachi Gandotra to please introduce yourself.
Very good afternoon to all the respected teachers and also my fellow mates. I am Prachi Gandotra and I have completed with my master's degree in psychology from Jammu University, now pursuing with B.Ed Special Education. My hobbies are listening to music and very much interested in art and.
Thank you, Prachi. Shivalika, you please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, myself Shivalika Sharma from Bantlab. I have done my graduation from Jammu University.
Now I have taking admission in B.Ed Special. My hobbies are dancing and art and craft. Thank you all.
Thank you, Shivalika. Now I request Palak Gandotra to please introduce yourself. Palak.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Palak Gandotra. I've done my master's in psychology from Jammu University and then pursued PG diploma in guidance and counseling, and now joined you for the B.Ed special course. And my area of interest is baking. Thank you.
Thank you, Palak. Shivalika, you please mute yourself. Shivalika, mute yourself. Now I request Deepika Kumari to please introduce yourself. Deepika, are you there? Okay, Surbhi Sharma. Surbhi, to please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Surbhi. I've just completed my graduation from GCW Parade, and I'm here for the B.Ed special. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, I'm very much interested in cooking and playing with my dog. And I really enjoy watching criminal documentaries and psychological thriller movies. Thank you.
Thank you, Surbhi. Now I request Sonika Devi to please introduce yourself.
Yes, good morning, teachers. I'm Sonika Sharma from Udhampur. Done my graduation in BCom from GCW College, Udhampur. And my hobbies are dancing, traveling, playing all the outdoor games. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonika. I request Ashima Gupta to please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Ashima Gupta. I am from Rihari Colony, Jammu. I have taken admission in B.Ed Special. I have done PG in Resource Management and Extension Home Science from Parade College, Jammu. My hobbies are singing, cooking and dancing. And beside all this, I love to do anchoring, and I have also worked in All India Radio as program host in Yuva Tarang 100.3 FM. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you, Ashima. Now I request Harsha Pehwa to please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harsha. I've done my master's in psychology from University of Jammu, and I've joined the B.Ed special education course. And my hobbies are painting and reading. Thank you.
Thank you, Harsha. Now I request Gaurav Sehgal to please introduce yourself. Gaurav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. I am Gaurav Sehgal. I have been done PG in mathematics from Jammu University. My hobbies are like to playing cricket as well as to teach students.
Thank you, Gaurav. Now I
Thank you,
request Ayushi Sharma to please introduce yourself.
Very good. My name I'm from Udhampur, and I've done my bachelor from CW. And I like playing video games, listening music, dancing, reading books. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayushi. Now I request Nisha Rani to please introduce yourself. Nisha. I request Jaspreet Kaur to please introduce yourself. Now I request Harleen Kaur to please introduce yourself. Harleen, are you there? Sangeeta Rani. I request Sangeeta Rani to please introduce yourself.
Hello, good afternoon, all respected teachers. Myself, Sangeeta Rani from Katra. I have done BA from GCW Gandhinagar, and now I have opted in B.Ed Special Education. My hobbies are playing badminton and teaching students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sangeeta. I request Srishti Mahajan to please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Srishti Mahajan, and I have taken admission in B.Ed Special Education. I have done my Masters in Economics from Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra, and my areas of interest majorly comprise of singing, cooking, art and craft, and reading books. Thank you.
Thank you, Srishti. I request Sakshi Abrol to please introduce yourself. Sakshi Abrol. Okay, moving further, I request Purva Mahajan to please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear classmates. My name is Purva Mahajan. I have done my graduation in Tech and Computer Science from Yogananda College of Engineering and Technology. Further, I have done my post-graduation in MBA Marketing from SM Video. Now I have opted for a B.Ed Special for my further education. My area of interest are mainly dancing and singing.
Thank you, Purva. Thank you so much. Now I request any of the student who left behind and want to give his or her introduction. You can. Anyone? Okay, Ishdeep Kaur, you please introduce yourself. Ishdeep, no issues. I can understand network issues are there. No problem. Thanks, everyone. Moving further, I request Dr. Rita Divedi to convey vote of thanks. Rita, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Isha. So, good afternoon to everyone again. Today on this occasion, I, Dr. Rita Divedi, on the behalf of UG Department, Meyer College of Education, feel immense pleasure to extend a formal vote of thanks to Dr. Adit Gupta, our worthy principal and director, Meyer College of Education, for sparing his valuable time and providing us guidance and support at every step. I sincerely thank Dr. Moolraj Sharma, HOD PG, Dr. Rohinika Sharma, HOD UG Department, for mentoring us properly in all aspects. I am thankful to our Deputy HODs, Dr. Nishtha Rana, PG, and Dr. Monica Bajaj, UG, the esteemed faculty members and dear students for their presence that leads to the successful completion of the program. I would also like to thank to our technology support team. Last but not the least, I am thankful to one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rita. Now I request Dr. Ronika Sharma, Head UG Department, to provide brief introduction of the program. Ronika ma'am, please.
Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much. I will be dear students, give me 2 minutes. I'll be sharing with you the objectives and theme of program. Kuldeep, please you stop sharing so that I can share my screen. Kuldeep sir. Kuldeep sir, stop sharing your screen. उनको बोल के आओ, मैडम प्रोग्राम कर रही है थोड़ा सा, स्टूडेंट्स को बोलाओ सर. I think my screen is visible to all. Dear students, Isha, visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Isha, my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Thank you so much. Well, students, I will be sharing with you about B.Ed program first, its objectives and scheme. Probably today I'll be sharing with you first semester scheme.
Not showing.
बेटे ये आपका नेटवर्क इशू होगा.
इसको पिन करो, ऊपर ऑप्शन होगा ना पिन का, तो पिन करके दिखेगा.
Ma'am, it is visible, clearly visible.
Okay, please. Thank you so much. The first objective of B.Ed program is to enable students to understand the central concepts, tools of inquiry, and structures of the disciplines of education in general and teacher education in particular. It also helps to provide opportunities to teacher trainees that enable learning experiences to make subject matter meaningful at secondary level. After pursuing B.Ed, you are able to make student teachers understand how children learn and develop, how they differ in their approaches to learning, and create learning opportunities that benefit diverse learners and learning context. Its another objective is to develop the skills of student teacher to plan learning experiences in and outside the classroom that are based on learners' existing proficiency, interests, experiences, and knowledge. And it also enables them to understand how students come to view, develop, learn, and make sense of subject matter contained in the curriculum. To develop the capacity among student teachers to use knowledge of effective verbal, non-verbal, and media communication techniques, to foster active inquiry, collaboration, and supportive interaction in the classroom. The B.Ed program also enables the student teachers to understand and use formal and informal assessment strategies to evaluate and ensure the continuous intellectual, social, emotional, and physical development of the learners. It provides student teachers self-identity as a teacher through school-based learning experiences and reflective practices that continually evaluate the effects of their choices and actions. It also provides a rich program of curricular and extracurricular activities for student teachers for all-round development of their personalities, as also those of the students whom they teach. Well, my dear students, these all were the objective of B.Ed program. I would like to share with you the scheme of B.Ed program, and first semester is, in your first semester, you have altogether 7 courses. Your total number of credit is 24 and total marks is 600. Whereby your marks are divided into external 60% and internal 40%. So your 40% is further bifurcated into your sessionals, your midterm examinations, your online quiz, and your attendance as well. So in your first semester, you have one paper which is of 4 credit, 60 marks external and 40 marks internal, altogether 100 marks. The paper is childhood and growing up. Your second course is philosophical and sociological perspectives in education. It is again a course of 4 credit. It also carries 60 external marks and 40 internal marks and altogether 100 marks. Your third paper is learning and teaching. It is again a paper of 4 credit. It carries 60 external marks and 40 internal marks and 100 altogether. Your next paper, 104, is Contemporary India and Education. It again carries 4 credit, 60 external and 40 internal, altogether 100 marks. Your 5th course or paper is methodology of teaching. It is again of 4 credit. It carries 60 and 40 with altogether 100 marks. Your 6th course code BDE 106, that is Drama and Art in Education. It is a course of 2 credits and there will be no external examination for this course, but it is comprised of 50 marks and all those marks will be further bifurcated into internal assessments. And your course 107 is your pre-internship and this will be of 2 weeks and it is again of 2 credits and it also carries 50 marks. So altogether in your first semester you have 24 credits, 300 external and 300 internal marks with altogether 600 marks. So this is for B.Ed program first semester. I would like to share with you now the program B.Ed special education, its objectives and its scheme of first semester. Let me share with you another screen. Isha, do let me know my screen is visible. My another screen is visible.
Ma'am, it is not visible now.
It will.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is.
Thank you so much. Let me share with you the course, the program objectives of B.Ed Special Education. This is again a 2 years program and its objectives are the B.Ed Special Program aims to develop special education teachers and educators for children with disabilities for various settings. And all these settings include inclusive, special, open schools and home-based education. So after completing B.Ed Special Education, a teacher or a special educator is able to work in these all settings. Either it is inclusive, or it is a special school, or it is an open school, or it is home-based education. This will also prepare human resources to enable them to acquire knowledge and develop competencies and skills to impart education and training effectively to children with disability as well as all other children. After completing the B.Ed Special Education program, the student teacher will acquire knowledge and skills about human development, contemporary India and education and pedagogy of various school subjects and assessment for learning. The student teacher trainee also acquire knowledge and skills about nature and educational needs of children with disabilities as well as few select specific disabilities. It helps to develop conceptual understanding of education, provisions and skills for working with children with various disabilities in special and inclusive setups. It enhances knowledge and skills for professional development. Well, its scheme is as under. In your first semester, the students of B.Ed Special Education, they will be having again 7 courses. The 101 is Human Growth and Development. It is a 4 credit course. Again, it is internal marks 40 and external marks 60 with 100 mark weightage, the way we have in B.Ed program. 102 is your contemporary Indian education. It is also of 4 credits and 60-40 is the ratio for the internal and external and altogether it carries 100 marks. Your 103 is a 2 credit course, Introduction to Sensory Disabilities. In this course, you are going to go through visual impairment, hearing impairment and deaf and blind. Your 104 is again a 2 credit course and the marks is 20-30 for 2 credits Whereas for 4 credit, you have 60-40. For 2 credits, you have 20-30. You have Introduction to Neurodevelopmental Disabilities. In this program, you are going to study about learning disabilities, intellectual disabilities, your autism spectrum disorder also. Your 105 is again a 2 credit course, that is Introduction to Locomotor and Multiple Disabilities. Here you will be studying deaf blind, cerebral palsy and multiple disabilities. So all these 3 papers, if you look at it, 103, 104 and 105, these all are cross disability and inclusive education courses. So these are very important. And your 106 is assessment and identification of needs. Here you have 40-60 again ratio of marks. It is of 4 credit. And your 107 is your practical component, that is cross disability and inclusion. And for this, you have internal 25 marks and external 25 marks. So altogether you have 50 marks. For B.Ed Special Education first semester, you have 20 credits and you have 205 internal marks and 295 external marks. So altogether you have 500 marks. Well, students, this is all about the program objectives of both B.Ed as well as B.Ed Special Education and scheme of program for the first semester I have shared with you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ronika ma'am. Thank you so much for explaining it in an excellent manner. Action speaks louder than words. So, all are requested to witness a small documentary on Maya, which shows our progress in building the future of the nation. Now, I request Mr. Kuldeep Singh to kindly play the documentary. Kuldeep sir, please share your screen. Ronika ma'am, you are still presenting your screen.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Kuldeep is just going to share. It takes some time, 1 or 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Model Institute of Education and Research, MIER, is a non-profit making, non-governmental organization devoted to the development of education, general, technical and research. Efforts are being made to develop MIER as a prestigious network of centers of learning, training and research on the principles of autonomy, quality, self-reliance, collaboration and innovation. The Institute has rendered over 80 years of dedicated service in the above-mentioned fields, which have been appreciated at the national and international levels. institute was founded as a school, Model Academy, in 1936 by late Sri H.L. Gupta, a highly educated man who, in the capacity of being the founder, principal and director, nurtured the institute with selfless dedication, missionary zeal, hard work and vision for nearly 2 decades, along with his life partner and an equally able educationist, late Mrs. Shanti Gupta, before it was incorporated in the present form in 1975 as Model Institute of Education and Research.
A school where Hindi and English were both taught right from the very beginning, where secular, nationalistic, and those values were inculcated among students, which were important for them in life. A lot of discipline, hard work, quality of education, excellence, and above all, the purpose was, how can a student develop his whole personality and become a worthwhile citizen to serve the motherland?
At present, Model Institute of Education and Research is offering a variety of courses and programs under its flagship institutions known as Model Academy, MIER College of Education, Model Institute of Engineering and Technology. In addition to the setting up of 3 flagship institutions, MIER has also experimented with latest trends in education. In 1975, the institute came up with correspondence courses for training teachers in different fields, which was one of the earlier attempts to introduce correspondence education in the country. The institution also tried out an open school for out-of-the-school youth in the state to enable such youth to pass their matriculation examination through the J&K Board of School Education. MIER was also a pioneer in starting 1-year nursery teacher training program, which was approved by the J&K Social Welfare Advisory Board. Later, the Department of Social Welfare recognized MIER to provide training to Anganwadi workers under the scheme in which UNICEF and NIP-CID also assisted the institution.
I think our institution must have trained around 5,000 nursery teachers and Anganwadi trainees over years, with the cooperation of the Department of Social Welfare, NIPSID and UNICEF. We used to bring out a newsletter, and all these years, our training programs are well known. And I think there's hardly any family in the state which must have 1 or 2 of its relatives either studying in this institution or who have graduated from portals.
Pre-independence Jammu was a very small, with its boundaries limited with Panchtirthi to Gummat. Population was very less and there were very few educational institutions. With the passage of time, development took place in all spheres of life, but the condition of educational institutions remained without any improvement. In those difficult times, Sri H.L. Gupta emerged as torchbearer in sphere of education and established Model Academy with 2 students at Residency Road, Jammu in 1936. This noble initiative of Gupta ji, as he was popularly known, proved to be a beginning of educational revolution and marked the beginning of private enterprise in education in J&K state. Later on, in 1942, his life partner, Srimati Shanti Gupta, also joined him in this noble cause, and a tiny seedling of knowledge began to grow up into a mighty tree of learning. From a humble beginning, the school has become an institution par excellence and has completed more than 8 glorious decades of dedicated service to the society. The school has achieved astounding success by producing students who have risen in life to occupy highest offices with honor, respect, and status. Among the illustrious alumni of Model Academy, the names of Lieutenant General G.S. Rawat, Vice Chief of Army Staff retired, Dr. Adarsh Sen Anand, former Chief Justice of India and Chairman Human Rights Commission, General J.J. Singh, Chief of Army Staff and Governor Arunachal Pradesh, Admiral Arun Prakash, Chief of Naval Staff, Lieutenant General Anup Singh Jambal, Madam Salma Ansari, wife of Shri Hamid Ansari, Vice President of India, and Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State in PMO, Government of India.
Not only that, engineers, doctors, very famous businessmen, journalists, talk about traders, talk about bank officers, talk about persons in the government service, talk about persons in public life. Boys and girls from our school are everywhere.
Model Academy is pioneering in providing ICT-based teaching and learning facilities in the state of Jammu and Kashmir and has seamlessly blended the benefits of traditional teaching with modern educational requirements. Model Academy has the distinction of being the first private institution, first co-educational school in province and the first higher secondary school in the state to receive the prestigious ISO certification for quality management system. Besides that, the school is also associated with UNESCO. MIER College of Education was established in the year 1981 under the aegis of MIER and happens to be the first college of education in private sector in Jammu province. It is permanently affiliated to the University of Jammu and also approved by the University Grants Commission. The college is also ISO certified and NAAC accredited with A grade. MIER College is the first college of education in the private sector to have been conferred with autonomous status by the University of Jammu on the recommendation of UGC. The college offers 2 undergraduate programs and 2 postgraduate programs. These are B.Ed, B.Ed Special Education, M.Ed, MA Education. Each of these courses is of 2 years duration. Besides academic-related activities, seminars, debates, extension lectures, and social awareness programs are also organized on regular basis through 3 units, that is NSS, Extension and Environment. As an autonomous college, the college has established linkages both at national and international level with other institutions. MIER College has also been identified as a college with potential for excellence by the University Grants Commission. The college has been offering teacher education programs for over 35 years now and has trained nearly 6,000 teachers who are spread across the country doing excellent jobs, endearing excellent service in the field of education as national builders. The college has emerged as one of the reputed institutions in northern India and students seek admission in this college as their first priority.
That the only weapon to their empowerment is education, and it is in and through the process of education that they can empower themselves. They have to upgrade themselves, and once they are empowered, once they are educated, I am sure they can go in this world and fend for themselves, not only fend for themselves but also fend for the society.
behind the emergence of Model Institute of Education and Research at a growing educational for target groups of different ages, of incessant struggle, spanning 8 decades of hard work, discipline, education, quest for quality and excellence, which have strengthened the institution to face the challenges of time. After the founder, the institution has been fortunate to develop under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Arun K. Gupta and Dr. Renu Gupta for about 4 decades, and the responsibility of taking the institution to newer heights has been entrusted to the next generation of educational leaders, that is Dr. Adit Gupta and Dr. Ankur Gupta. Thus, the vision and the missionary zeal of the founders is being translated into reality, and the institution is being restructured to become a full-fledged university with a variety of academic programs, training courses, life skill and vocational programs, and programs to further the frontiers of knowledge by strengthening high quality of education, research and introduction of future-oriented courses.
All the teachers and other brahmacharis to also be, associated with this institution with full enthusiasm, with a spirit of service, not only to the mankind, but also to serve the cause of education, so that they can win name and fame, leave footprints on the sands of time, and leave those traditions of excellence and quality for which this institution is famous all over the world.
We are sure that with the public support the institution has enjoyed for over years, the cooperation of the government and regulatory bodies, and sincere hard work and determination of the students, faculty members and the management, MIER will emerge as a leading center of education and learning to be ranked among the front-ranking institutions of the country to fulfill the educational aspirations of all sections of the society.
So, we enjoyed a wonderful documentary which shows our progress in building the future of the nation. That's what's of the all today. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Isha. Dear students, here is an announcement for you all. Kindly join tomorrow through the same link at 11 a.m. right? Tomorrow we will be sharing with you your course. It's different content and how you are going about that very particular course. The respective teachers will be sharing with you the syllabus, and then from 25th we'll be starting with your classes, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.